Good morning guys, another day of being a physicist, teacher, and a law student. So we just have proctoring exams for today and congratulations, someone is our 500 subscribers. So congratulations, so you will receive a special gift from me, your vloggerist. So we have gulay today. Opo, dyan na lang ma'am para tipid tayo sa materials. Opo, dyan din. So, we have healthy lunch today. There is sayote, vegetable, heart of the banana, puso ng saging, half rice, and chicken adobo with some potatoes, and of course, kwek-kwek. Then we have some yogurt drink, and of course, water. Sabi nila, makulay ang buhay pag may gulay. So always eat your veggies or gulay para healthy kayo guys. At masaya at makulay ang buhay niyo. Okay? And it's not carcinogenic, and it's good for digestion. In general, it's good for your health. So eat your vegetables guys. So ito yung ice cream ni yung suki natin. Yan. Sige po. Bye-bye. So, here is that cheese. So it's good. Yeah, it's good. Nakakabusog to.
Yes.
Para ano pa rin yung flavor niya. So paano i-pronounce? Bukake o bukake?
Bukake.
Pangalan. Ano yung sabihin nun, ma'am? Udon, marami rin ako nun.
Ayun, kumain niya siya dito kahapon.
Pwede niyong dagdagan, wag nang bawasan. Thank you. Bukake udon. So, we are back in Narogami Udon with our colleague physicist engineer Secret University. So I ordered a different from yesterday. So I'll show you, no?
Tikman namin bukake soup.
Bukake, ayun, bukake soup. Kasi meron tayo tempura crab. Ano yung sayo? Ikaw na mag-introduce. Ano sa'yo?
Tonkatsu.
Tonkatsu, ano ito?
Curry rice.
Curry rice.
Ano to? Tuna almost.
Ay, actually ako din. Tuna something. There's side dishes. So, okay na po. Ito yung kakiage. Yung favorite ko kasi yan yung masustansya. Vegetable. Kasi marami siyang oil. Yan, kaya na tayo. Okay. So let's have a critique and rate. So this one is the kakiyage, vegetable tempura nila, which is again, it's my favorite. So crispy and then mixed vegetable siya. And then what I recommend is the sauce. So pag tempura, pag mga fried, napakasarap ng tempura sauce. Lagyan mo ng parang luya, yung ginger. And of course, onions optional. But it will be very strong, but I like spicy food. So perfect yung combination. And this one is very firm. I don't know, but you have some technique on how to make this very al dente. Ang talagang firm, solid yung texture ng noodles. Malaki, nakakabusog, makapal. It looks small, but it's actually very filling. Nakakabusog siya. And there's also a secret to how they cook this perfectly, ano yung egg nila. I think it's perfect. No? But this one, there's a technique that they're doing something about this, no? Para hindi na nagde-disintegrate yung outer layer ng noodles. So I think they're doing something, hindi nag-mix doon sa soup. So, matagal natin nakababad dito, pero nandun pa rin yung texture. Pagkalaan mo, solid noodles sa loob. The mouthfeel is perfect for a noodle. Mouthfeel has to do with the elasticity of the food. So it is chewable. Perfect lang. Hindi sobrang nag-disintegrate pag isang kagat. Nandun pa rin. And of course, this one is, I'm not sure that it's also really good. But I don't eat it alone. I eat it pair with, para siyang, ginagawa ko siyang rice. So, but the noodles is something. Of course, this is what I highly recommend. Kasi yung parang yung science in producing this kind of noodle, I would say advanced for them or siguro complicated. I don't know. I haven't toured the kitchen, but hindi mo ito ma-experience sa ibang noodle shop or lang mga instant. Ang sarap. Okay, the soup is, you have to, depende sa'yo. Minsan nasusobra ng alat eh. Yesterday parang medyo maalat. But I asked for hot water yesterday. Okay naman sana. So, ngayon okay yung lasa ng soup base. So, it is salty, but just the right amount of saltiness. Merong soya, I think. There's a taste of soya. May konting sweetness, I don't know. I don't know kung saan nila binabad yun. Ayun, maganda pa rin yung ano ng onions. Yung onions ito, hindi, nawala yung kanyang pag-i-spiciness, kaya pwede siyang kainin ng buo. Okay? And then of course, I don't know what this one is. This is also crispy. Crispy siya. Mukhang kamote. I don't know exactly. Maybe kamote. Tastes like kamote. Maybe it's kamote. It's really good. Okay, that's it.